Yeah, okay, Shopify. So you wanted proof that my app works. So I'm going to look at this Allen 3 Grizzly Broadhead as a product in my test store. This product is whatever. Let's take a look at it. Edit, view, cost, prices. This is where you have a problem, and we can see that, oh boy, nobody's ever bought this product before. So it shows zeros here, even though you think maybe it sold sometime in the past. Okay, so let's sell it right now in the future just to show you that this is all up and on the up and up. So we'll go to the online store and we'll do a lookup on whatever the heck that thing is. It's a Allen 3-blade Grizzly. Okay, so let's do Allen 3-blade Grizzly. There it is. Okay, add to cart. View the cart, buy in the cart, whatever this thing is. So me, first name Dave, last name Lazar, address 8 Rockland. So Shopify seems to have done everything good. So let's go shipping. Boom, payment. Boom, credit card 1 Dave 0222 111. So great, I'm buying this thing. Your order's being processed. Woo! Okay, so great. I just bought one of these things. So I'm going to go into my orders. There it is. I bought it, so I'm going to capture the payment on that. Yay. Successfully captured payment. So down here, I don't know if you can see this, but Swift Braun just recorded a sale. So that means if I go back into the app and I look at this Allen 3-blade Grizzly thingy, I should essentially see that this thing has done a sale. Because I make good code and it works, even though you guys don't seem to think it does. But I get that. You couldn't have possibly known what's going on here. So edit, view, cost, prices. And oh my God, look, it's sold. So when you tell me I'm pulling you from the app store and this app doesn't work, it works fine. You guys just don't know what you're doing with it. And I get that. You couldn't possibly know. So please don't delist this app. Lots of people depend on it, and it does make me a few bucks here and there because it does stuff Shopify doesn't do. So I hope that demo gives you like some idea that, you know, I'm not fooling around, and I appreciate the fact that you pointed out something you didn't quite get. But yeah, this app Profiteer is working fine. So thank you.